This short video is about a project I started a few months ago on how to control a trolley between two endpoints. For the sake of the test, I used 3 contiguous blocks on the Cumberland West layout and one of the switchers, WM101. The video shows 3 JMRI windows. One, upper right, the panel showing 2 kinds of track icons and sensors in a blue box, and 2 jewel buttons to start and end the run. This was created using the JMRI control panel editor. 2, upper left, the JMRI throttle, used here to show the commands sent by the warrants to the WM101 engine. 3, the warrants table, which also shows the running of the warrants and their status. Behind the scenes, there is the coding to run this, using the JMRI LogixNG programming. The screenshots for this will be available at the end of this video. Also, this project was done to examine the feasibility of LogixNG as a part to control trains on a layout. The run will show 2 runs, each with an eastbound run and then a westbound run. Between each run, there is a 10 seconds delay to indicate a station stop. Notice the green jewel is turned off. This means the session will stop at the end of the current running warrant. If it had been left green, the session would have continued running back and forth. This screen shows the 3 LogixNG that run the whole automation. This screen shows the LogixNG global variables used. This screen shows the sensor table. The sensors or blocks used are main block, main stopping east, main stopping west, stop run, test sensor. The last 2 are used as triggers. The first 3 are actual track blocks. The train starts the session. Depending on which sensor is active, the conditional selects the correct direction conditional. This screen shows, in this case, the eastbound run. After checking that the engine is on the right sensor, it calls the module that will run the warrant. This is the LogixNG module, where the warrant is called to run the eastbound run. Once the warrant ends, a 10 seconds delay is executed, and then the whole process repeats. In this case, the selection is to run the westbound run. This last part of the video shows 3 RDCs, running the same pattern as before, except in this case the warrants were modified to include the engine start and shutdown, and also make sure the main block becomes inactive before stopping the train and ending the warrant.